Hi, I'm Steph Evans of Evotech, who are partnered with MSC Software. Here's another one of our MSC Apex quick bites, this time looking at magic markers to help you build your models more efficiently.
Okay, so we're going to look at the concept of a magic marker in Apex, and that this is a temporary construction point or entity that avoids the need to create discrete points as we're building models. So just looking at a curve, a surface and a solid. So looking at the curve first of all, we can pick out the midpoint. Surface, we can pick out the mid face as it were, and then the same for the solid, we can pick out the arc center that makes up that solid. Okay, so we don't need to create temporary points to highlight these locations. We can use again the magic markers to pick up these virtual points as it were for measurement purposes, so just measuring the diagonal of the surfaces and then the midpoint for a given line. We can use the magic markers to generate explicit entities. So here we're going to use a curve that's connected to this virtual point, so the magic marker for the center of the surface. So we can create geometry, FEA entities using this approach. We're going to create a force and moment on the internal face of this cylinder. So highlight the surface, and then the markers for those cylindrical centers are highlighted, and we're done. No need to create any construction geometry at all.
I hope you found this interesting. If you'd like to develop your Apex usage, head over to our site where you'll find many online learning opportunities.